Pandey. Sakshi Pandey, start now with your self-introduction and about the topic. Okay, Shubham Kumar, you can start with self-introduction and about the topic.
Jai Hind sir and my dear friends, I am Subham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Earth Above with Kumar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB and now I am pursuing BSc Physics Honors from Bir Kumar University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventurous and disciplined career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us: population boom in India and impact of a population boom on Indian economy. In India, population is increasing rapidly. It has crossed 1.4 billion. We know that India is the second populous country in the world. Due to population explosion, we are facing many problems and issues. And poverty is the one of the main problems. Due to poverty, parents do not earn to a square meal for the family. Therefore, they ask their children to do work. And due to increasing populations, deforestation is also an issue, which results in global warming. And also, we know that many people want making house in urban areas. Therefore, deforestation is normal in this way. And even today, we are not able to provide a good education to millions of children. Therefore, we should reduce or stop boom population in India. And we have seen the poor health facility, which patient suffers a lot. And also hospitals are also overcrowded. And in India, cities
Next
are so
candidate,
overcrowded.
Yamini Singh.
Okay, my dear friends. My name is Yamini Singh. Basically, I hail from Unna, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from UPPur. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CSGM University, Kanpur. There are four members in my family. My father is private teacher. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. In my free time, I like playing and dancing. I want to join Indian Air Force because I know I can adjust myself in any condition, as well as golden opportunity to serve the nation. For today's topic, we'll be discovering the topic of population boom in India. According to the United Nations, India will overtake China as the most populous nation in the year 2023 from the year 1980 to 2015. China implemented one child policy to control its population. Overpopulation can result in low living standards and high unemployment rate. And if population will increase day by day, then India government will not provide full and living home and India's population. And India is first country in the world to start family planning program. We know that if population in India will increase a lot of, then lack of proper medical facilities is causing low survival rates of kids in some remote areas. Thank you.
First of all, a very warm good evening to all. That my name is Ezekiel. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualifications, that I complete my intermediate exams in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. If I talk about my hobbies, that I would like to play cricket and follow the mathematical puzzles. So today we are going to discuss the topic about population boom in India. Population is the very greatest and very highest problem in our country. That is not to provide all the resolution for all the peoples, and not to people take any other government service are be very helpful, and government not to provide all the candidates to jobs a very big case that population in India is the populations for India are the second largest country, and our government tries many benefits to provide government, but it's not to be sufficient for all the persons.
Next candidate, Jayasri Radhakrishna.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sanu. I belong to district Kanpur. My father's name is Mr. Sachendra Kumar is a farmer. I have completed class 12th with PCM in State Board. I am pursuing graduation from Chhatrapati Savaji Maharaj University. Dear friend, I have to discuss on the topic population. India's population has largest number of population all over the world. So more population, India has largest population, but no employment in every person. So India population is a big issue in our India's government should awareness system start, and uneducated people and poor families are awareness, and India is the start family planning system, so population are control our India's. But in my opinion, the population as well increase, but no increase the employment. So it is a big issue in our India's. Thank you.
Now, candidates, start GD session. And our today's topic, population boom in India. Shubham Kumar, you can initiate the topic.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to initiate the topic. We know that India is the second populous country in the world. Therefore, it is not good for our country, and it makes hurdle in our development. And the citizens of our country should be aware about the sexual sex and also about medicine to stop and reduce population boom. Therefore, it is also the responsibility for our parents to birth not the only parents are responsible to birth children, so therefore also they are also responsible to need provide need of their children.
Okay, dear, but in my point of population is a very big issue in our India. So, in my opinion, the not only responsible government but also responsible people in largest increasing population.
Yes, my dear friends, if population will increase day by day, then India government will not provide food and living home to India's population. And India is first country in the world to start family planning program. We know that if population in India will increase a lot of, then lack of proper medical facilities causing low survival rates of kids in some remote areas. If in survey of 2011, India's population was approximately 2,002.1 billion and will and 2.4 billion in 2023.
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. We know that unemployment in India increasing day by day due to the population explosion. Therefore, the government should have to provide employment to all the citizens of our country because resources have not much in our country. Therefore, we should stop and reduce the population explosion.
India, in my point of view, India has more population, so government not provided each and every person's nutrients in जितना चाहिए उतना nutrients हर एक को नहीं पहुंचा सकते.
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. Due to population explosion, parents do not able to earn 2 square meal. Then they are their children to work and they earn money. Therefore, we seen that in a society, child labor, child marriages, and any other policies. There, this is not good for the children, and it also affects our mentality. And therefore, we should also change our mentality, and we should aware about. Population explosion is also it's also know about impact. It is the duty of the common people.
Yes, my dear friends, if we discuss about population, we know that due to population, India development is not growing properly as can growth well. And there are some merits and demerits of growing population. If we discuss about advantage, economic growth, if India's population will increase day by day, in and economic growth and big number of and it's a big number of disadvantages like food shortage and living home. If India's population will increase day by day, then food shortage will reduces and living home will also reduces.
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. In a previous day, Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, is told about sexual education in the to stop and reduce the population explosion in the Vidhan Sabha, and the way of told about women's and sexual education is not good for the education is good and provide awareness about people. this is good for the this is good for the population. This is not good for the country. Therefore, it is also the duty of our government to provide and take some strict rules and programs to stop therefore because it is not good for the development.
Yes, my dear friends, I agree with your point, but in my opinion, some government schemes will launched by the government like Mission Parivar Vikas, and the Indian government has taken several steps to slow population increase, including raising awareness through the media, posters, and other means, raising the marriage age. It is a big cause of growing population, because in an Indian family, some of we can see that in Indian families, marriageable age will also increase.
Okay, dear friend, I want to add here some point. We can see in our society, mostly educated and educated people are unemployed because we can see a population growth day by day. So many educated and educated people are unemployed because number of vacancies any government sector or private sector are minimum as compared to number of candidates. It is the main reason. So we can say unemployment. It's a big reason for growing population.
Yes, dear friend, you are right. Uh, Population is create unemployment and also reduces economy system. And our country is the first country to started family planning in the our honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to started family planning in a scheme in our country. And lack of population also create government not provide food and health facilities for poor people.
I am agree
Okay,
with
dear
you.
friend,
We know that I
okay,
am
I
agree
want
with
to add
you. I
here
want
some
to add some
point.
points.
Dear friend,
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. We know that India is the second populous country in the world, and also we know that the China is the first populous country in the world. But China implements many strict rules in our country. Therefore, we should stop or reduce the birth rate in our country. And in the India has no census, and if
we can see in our
we should organize a
society. We can see in our
census in
society.
our country. Therefore, the India is the first country in our census. Therefore, we should organize in India. Census is also, we know that it is very disappointing to know that India is the first populous country in the world.
Okay, we can see in our society nowadays accidents case are increased day by day because number of population growing day by day. So people does not follow the traffic rules. So a number of accidents increase day by day. It's a big reason for growing population. Also we can see. Child labor and price rises and many problems are generated for the due to growing population. So it is very necessary to decrease the population because it's create many types of many types of problem in our country, and it is more harmful for our economy.
Yes, my
Dear
dear
friend,
friends,
you are right. Population, our country population is very high. High, not reason for not reason for not
yes, my
not
dear
reason
friends,
for
as well as Pooja will
overtake
say.
China. But the main reason of China is started one side, and so our country prepare to family planning.
Yes, my dear friends, as well as Pooja says that Indira Gandhi was launched some government schemes like Nasbandi and Nalbandi for reduces population in India. And as well as we know that we are aware about the various environment problems that our country faces. Global warming is one of them that result from heavy population from the industries. And if population in the industries and in the India growing will growing, then the vacancies and the jobs are it reduces.
I am agree with I am agree with you. I want to add some point. It is very hard to breathe in Mahanagar like Delhi and Mumbai, because most of the people are lived in the Mumbai and Delhi. Therefore, population explosion is also a good, because many people are going to the urban areas instead of the rural area. Therefore, it is also we have seen that the unemployment rate.
Okay, dear friend, I want to add here at some point we can see a problem of pollution. We can see in our country pollution level increase day by day. It's a big reason for growing population, because growing population due to many reasons to increase increase the pollution, because we have most materials, we have waste material used to rivers and so on. So it's a big reason to due to water pollution, also noise pollution and traffic pollution are also increased day by day due to growing population.
Yes, dear friends, you are right. Population increasing in many more reason, like child marriage and uneducated people, because uneducated people we not aware to limited family, and child marriage is also a cause of population.
Yes, my dear friends, I would like to say some points in this population boom in India, because we know that we can see the in footpath many women and many families are living in footpath, and they cannot provide it, they will not provide it basic amenities like well maintained toilet and first aid and water, liquid water, and so it's a cause of population, because population increasing and they will not provide it basic amenities.
Okay, dear friend, I want to add here at some point. We know very well we are living in the second largest population country all over the world, and in our country, we know very well we have only 2.4% land area all over the world, but India's gave livement all over the world than 17.5% pupil. So it is a big population for our country, and due to growing population, it's also many problems create. So it is very necessary to reduce this problem, and if we are try with the help of government, we are also increase the population, we are also decrease the population level with the help of government.
Yes, dear friends, I totally agree with you. We can also help the government, like we can also aware to rural areas, and rural areas people to aware for limited family, and unemployment decrease system. We can also aware to uneducated people.
Okay, I want to add here at some point we can see in our society, rural areas and urban areas also nowadays pupils are aware, because price rise increase day by day. So the opportunities are increased and facilities are decreased. So because price rise day by day, so it's a big reason for decreasing the population. That is very beneficial for us.
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. Some unliterated and uneducated person in the rural areas have the birth rate of the children is increased due to the lack of educations, and government would provide some medicines and also the condoms in the Sadar hospitals. Therefore, it helps a lot in the rate of birth rate.
Yes, dear friends, I am totally agree with you. Population is augurs ill for our country. We can see to dream our country development. So our moral duty to reduce the population.
Dear friends, we know very well Uttar Pradesh is a state of India. Population increase day by day. It's a biggest state in case of population. We can see in our country. If we can see in our country, the Uttar Pradesh population are increased day by day due to many reasons. It is very criticism system for us.
We know that 1/3 of the population in India will living in the below the poverty line, and we know that if population will increase, then the unemployment will also increase, and if unemployment increase, then the poverty will also increase, and poverty is a state and condition in which an individual and community lacks of the financial resources. Accordingly, nearby 3.44 crore people will living in extreme population in 2024 against 4.69 crore in 2022.
Dear friend, I am totally agree with you. Our country is low population to moderate population, but at present, our country population is high. High population, we cross the China. At present, the the main motive is reduce the population in this time.
Okay, dear friend, I want to add here some point. We can see in our country mostly people thought the children are gift for God. They are not decrease the level of children. So it is a big cause of population because their mentality system are very poor. They thought that children are gift for God. So it is a big cause of growing population because that rate are decrease and birth rate are increase. So it's a big reason.